All right, Glenn, thank you. There are even more questions today about that attempted murder-suicide under investigation in Boynton Beach.
Police telling us yesterday that it was a Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputy who's accused of pulling the trigger and then turning the gun on himself. We've just learned that woman is in critical but stable condition this morning.
News Channel 5's Alyssa Hyman continuing our coverage from Boynton Beach. Alyssa?
All right, well, more than 24 hours later, and police are still not releasing the name of the deputy or the woman he's accused of shooting. This is police tell us they've come across some new information in this case that they need to investigate further. But what that is, police won't say. Now, if you take a look, this is what the scene looked like just yesterday. Boynton Beach police told us they got called here to the Inlet Harbor Club, which is near Gateway Boulevard and US 1, calling this an attempted murder and suicide. Later on in the morning, revealing that it was a PBSO deputy who was accused of shooting a woman, then killing himself. However, any sort of motive or what led up to this remains a mystery. This, as police tell us, they have uncovered new information that required further investigation. And as we mentioned at the top of the show, that woman, we've been told, is in stable but critical condition still, and they are calling this an active criminal investigation. So still no word as to when we might find out who this deputy is and what that woman's name is. Of course, we're going to stay on top of this and bring new information to you as we get it. Reporting live in Boynton Beach, Alyssa Hyman, WPTV News Channel 5.